Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Look how cool is that? In my hand I have a piece of paper, but once I unfold it, it turns into a paper box. This origami is pretty easy, it's pretty cool, and you can use for a lot of things. To make a model like this, you can use a whole sheet of paper. It can be A4 or letter, or just half, as I'm going to use in the video. Keeping the paper in this position, we'll first need to divide the top edge by 3. To do so, just bend the paper like this, like a letter S. Then we'll close this, making the 3 layers stay right on top of each other. And then let's pinch the 2 sides to make 2 small marks. Once done, we can undo this, and now we can use these marks as a guide. Using the first one on the right, we need to fold a new vertical line here. To do that, just bring the right side to the left. And now we are going to fold the same fold in half, bringing the edge back to the right. To make the other side is much easier. We just need to bring the left side to the right. And once done, let's fold it in half, just like we did before. Having that finished, let's open the right side and then fold both corners. We can start with the bottom side. Just bring the bottom edge to the existing vertical line and crease sharply. Once this side is done, let's repeat the same thing with the top. And once done, we can close this side again. Let's go to the left. Open the paper and fold the 2 corners. Close again. For the next step, let's hold the paper in this position and turn it over. Starting on the top side, we are going to have to fold a new line here, connecting these 2 corners. For the best result, I recommend that you first fold the paper back, like this. Reinforce very well. Then unfold and fold the paper in the opposite direction. Let's rotate the paper. Repeat the same step by step with the other side. At this point you can leave it like that if you want, but for a better result, I recommend you turn the paper over and fold it one more time. With that, our automatic paper box is ready! You can just unfold it here, then open the paper from the other side, and it turns into a box. The first time you may need to fix some details, but this is the result. Now that you know how to do it, you can make as many boxes as you like, and after closing them, you can store them all inside just one like I did here. I hope this is something useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.